Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome to another video. This should be the third unboxing of Marvel Ages. Still haven't been able to complete it, of course, because it's the big set of 300 cards. So I was able to get some of the E-Packs exclusive cards, which is the negatives. So I think it's only like 5 cards. I only got 3 out of the 5, so alright, let's go ahead and start already. Breaking this open. I think from the last time I remember, left side is always gonna be the hit. It's gonna be the hit card on the left side. From the last 2 boxes I opened. So let's see if it's the same on this box. So I still got 2 more boxes here. So we'll see. Everything already stuck open. It's got Genesville, Wave over there for a minute, X-Men, Speedball. I got these, I believe. Trying to remember. These are the variants here, I believe. Yeah. Then Tribunal, and these are the high cards. I'm just trying to remember. Yeah. Base cards first. Then the variants. Those 2. And mid-series, high series. So you got the 100s and 200s. So I already got all the first 100 cards. So I don't even just put them on the side, so I don't have to count it. I'm gonna have to organize everything and put it in my binders. So I can just skip that part. Grif, Domino, M. Got Black Widow, Miles Morales, High Series variant, Victoria Hand sticker, Julie Power, Taskmaster, and Hogan. I think on the E-Pack series I was able to pull a Venom Decade card, I believe. Yeah, I think so. Snowbird, Power Man, Warlock, Machine Man, Dr. Drought. So I was able to pull that card, which is, I heard it's pretty hard to pull. So, and everybody on the E-Pack community just keeps trying to trade that card, and I'm like, nope, I'm keeping that. That's from my collection. I already got this card like 3 times. Ghost Rider, the Steve Ditko, Justice X-23, Boom Boom, Paladin, Hellstorm. So let's see if hopefully with this box and the 2 other boxes I'm able to at least hopefully finish the set. So let's see. Okay, we got a Decade card. Let's see what it is. Captain America of 2000s. Never seen this costume of his. It's different. I got a Wolverine card and Iron Man, because they're mid-series, high series. It's pretty cool. So we got Decade on the left hand side of the packs. And let's see. See what I'm telling you now. We got another Decade card of Doctor Strange from the 1960s. It's pretty cool. I like these Decade cards. They're pretty cool. Like they keep the artwork from that era. Pretty cool. I got 2 more packs left on the left side. Let's see. You kind of cheat your way, knowing what's coming up by looking at the side of it. So we got another. Okay. Yeah, so this is a flavor card, a flavorful card. I think this is the hit. Not 100%, but I always think this is a hit for some odd reason. So, it feels like there's something on here. But it's a Sabretooth. Right there. Black Widow MODOK skin. It looks like Nightcrawler a little bit. James Maddox. I believe the flavorful is always going to be a hit. I believe so. Logan. Gambit, Scarlet. And then got Miles Morales. A-Force, Hope Summers, Caliban, Cypher, and Black Widow. So let's go to the right side now. Machine, Carolina, or Carolina. Then you got Thanos, Stick of Spider-Man, Moon Knight, Prodigy, Aurora, Rusty, and Hawkeye. I'm trying to figure out how the hell. I'm not particular on the sketches, how they get them. But my main cards to get here are the lenticular puzzle cards. I think those are pretty cool. I want to see if I can ever try to get one. So, Bullseye, Punisher, Sandman. So yeah, that's like a card set that I really like to get. Bishop, another Daredevil, Dark Avengers, Cyber, Miles Morales sticker, Eternity, Striker. Okay. No luck. 4 more packs. Kate Bishop from Marvel. High Parallel, Loki, Sentry, Ray Bill, Leech, Black Panther. Don't remember I talked about the Doctor Strange trailer on my last video with the Super Bowl, but it's looking crazy. And how they have Professor X in the trailer with just, I mean, his voice and somewhat the side of his face, I want to say. So it's like pretty crazy. Hulkling. He kind of looks like the gargoyle from trying to remember, is it Brooklyn? From the Gargoyle series from Disney, or it was Disney back then, I think. I think it was Brooklyn or Bronx. I can't remember his name, but he looks just like him. Miss America. But yeah, that trailer looks sick. And the thing is only like a month away. So I can't wait. They have saying that the X-Men are gonna be in this movie. So we'll see. High Series, Lady Sif, Parallel, Thanos. Last card. Yeah, I think that Sabretooth card with Flavorful was the hit. Darkhawk, Ghost Spider, Thanos, Guardian of the Galaxy, Caliban, Nico, Wrong Guy, and Carol. So, I mean, not bad. I was hoping for the lenticular cards, but that's the chase card right there. And there's a lot of cards. So I don't know what was their goal of putting a low printed card that's into a high series. 43, like, come on. Maybe 10, 15 cards max, but yeah, it's ridiculous. So anyway, it is what it is, so not bad. So alright guys, so thank you for watching. You know, please like and subscribe, it'll help out big time. So those are the 3 cards, pretty much 3 main cards in this set. In this box right here is that one. I think so. Let me see, double check, but I think that was it. So yeah, I think that was it. Yeah, just those 3 cards are the hits in this box. So alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Like I said, it really helps with my channel, trying to grow little by little with the much free time that I have. So really do appreciate it. Thank you guys.